Are you ready to know another method where you can earn $10, $20, $30, or even more? In this video, I'll show you a unique website that could help you earn by just answering polls. Yes, you heard it right. All you're gonna do is answer polls and just click your answers on the given choices. Per transaction, you can get $20 or even $30, and you'll see how your earnings would increase as time passes by. Following that, you can easily withdraw your funds using different payment options such as PayPal, bank transfers, Bitcoin, and other payment methods. This website is totally free. You don't have to invest any amount of money here. No money is involved in the registration process. It's also nice that it's currently available in different parts of the world. Isn't it great? I'm excited to share this opportunity with you and to provide you with a few extra tips. With just a few mouse clicks, it could double or even triple your income. Make sure you watch this video until the end and take note of what you need to do along with the important details that you need to remember. Hi, welcome to Daily Cashflow, a channel that shows you all the best sites on where to make money online with all the best ways on how to make that money. So before we get to the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single video. Let's start by going to a page called enrollapp.com. You can use this website to earn money online. I'll show you how to make money every day, and wherever you are in the world, you can try this opportunity. On this website, you'll know what the companies are doing right now, and through this website, you can share your opinions about them. You can use any device you have for this method. You can use your computer, laptop, tablet, or phone. This is simply because the more gadgets you use, the more chances you have to earn a lot of money. Now, I want you to select the sign in button at the top right of this page. Enter your email address and password, and then click sign in. Or alternatively, you can use your Google account to sign in. Please check your inbox for emails because they will be sending a link there to activate your account. After you log in, there are a few tasks you need to finish. Answer all those questions to get started. After you finish answering some important questions, you'll be directed to this dashboard. On this page, you can monitor your progress like your collected points, your badges, and missions. Whenever the task is completed, the cow will move from left to right. To earn some points, you need to answer all of these polls. Just choose your answer. No wrong answers here. Just be honest with your responses. After answering the poll, click the green Submit Answer button. And then, here, you'll see the statistics of how much of a percentage each choice gets. You're free to skip the questions if you don't want to answer them. The cow moves as you answer the polls, and then you get some points. Your main objective here is to answer as many polls as you want to earn as many points. This task is very easy, as you can see. So even if you're just a beginner in earning money online and have no experience or special skills to do other jobs, you can definitely try this one to earn extra money. Also, just a reminder, if you like the video, please consider leaving a like. You could also subscribe so you don't miss any of our content. And ringing that bell would really help so you get notified of each upload. Thank you. Now let's get back to the video. If you want to make more money online, you just have to answer these poll questions. By taking part in more polls, you can additionally earn points and bonuses. So, from 0 points, you can collect thousands of points. Just repeat the process and keep earning money. So, you can see here the number of polls that you have participated in. You'll earn more money by taking part in it and responding to more surveys. You can see your progress here by clicking Achievements from your dashboard. You can see here how many total points you have as well as the badges. So, your first mission is Earth. For this mission, you should take tests, answer different polls, and be active on this website so that you can earn badges and advance to the next mission, launching you into space. These are the badges that you can get whenever you reach a certain number of answers for polls. So, keep participating in the polls. By obtaining additional badges on this website, you can boost your earnings. Also, you should open your account every single day to earn bonus points. Then answer the poll question to complete Mission 1. If you keep answering the polls and doing the same thing, the cow can go from the left to the right until it reaches the planet. Now go to your profile and select Test Preferences. On this page, as you can see, they make sure all of your profile settings are up to date. Also, your responses to those questions will be kept private, so you don't have to worry about your responses. All of your responses to the poll will stay private and confidential. Now, select all 3 options under Devices I can test on. Select Mobile, Tablet, and Desktop. The more devices you have and can use, the more tasks you can accomplish, and this will boost your income. Next, for testing availability, it will ask you what the best time for you is to receive the test. Choose the option that says, "Send me tests as soon as possible." In this way, you'll be notified about the latest tests or polls that you need to answer. You can receive notifications when you qualify for a new test. The more polls you can answer, the more points you can collect. And as a result, you can finish your missions quickly. Also, just a reminder, if you like the video, please consider leaving a like. You could also subscribe so you don't miss any of our content. And ringing that bell would really help, so you get notified of each upload. Thank you. Now let's get back to the video. In other words, you can make more money if you have more opportunities. Here, you can enter your phone number to verify it and enable SMS notifications once you have a test. You must follow all of the aforementioned settings in order to optimize your earnings on this website. And don't forget to click the Save Changes button. It's very easy, right? Just keep on answering polls over and over again. Focus on answering polls to gain more points. The more points you obtain, the more badges you can get. This means you can get some additional bonus points or incentives. By making progress in your point system, the cow will move little by little until it reaches the other side. Then you can complete your mission and move on to the next one. You have to follow all the guidelines and instructions I gave you in order to optimize your earnings on this website. As you've seen, this approach to earning money online is really simple. By responding to polls, earning points, and earning badges, just keep in mind that you're working towards the goal. If you do everything as instructed, you'll make progress and have the chance to get paid more. And there you have it. What can you say about this method? Do you think it's one of the best ways to earn money online? Share your comments and thoughts in the comment section below. I hope this video was somewhat helpful to you. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to this channel. We appreciate your time and hope to see you again in the next video. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something from today's video, and to get updated with the next videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you next time.